I'll be showing you the best products for fair, dark, caramel, and chocolate skin tones that will have your skin popping. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Guys, today's video is an interesting one. I'll be showing you the best body maintenance set for all skin types. So if you're wondering what product to use for your fair skin, dark skin, chocolate or caramel skin tone, then this video is for you, because I'll be showing you a full body set consisting of body soap, body wash, body lotion, body scrub, and body oil that will not bleach or damage your skin. Like if you're looking to maintain your dark skin, your fair skin, or caramel skin tone, then these are the products you definitely need to have in your skincare routine. In fact, this body maintenance set I'm about to show you guys is effective, suitable for all skin types. They have high ratings and they're also affordable and easily accessible. So whether you're in Germany, UK, USA, or Nigeria, like wherever you are, you can easily access this body product. Now, before we dive right into today's video, guys, please do me a favor and like this video. Like, it goes a long way, okay? So please and please like and also subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. I promise you, you're going to be learning so much on this channel. Now, let's start with the best body maintenance set for dark skin. If you're a dark skin person, you already know that dark skin contains more melanin and hence they are more prone to dryness compared to other skin tones. So if you want to have your melanin skin popping, or you want your dark skin to look even toned and glowing, like you need a lot of shine to your dark melanin skin, then you definitely need to go for products that contains hydrating and moisturizing ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, cocoa butter, shea butter, and the rest. Like these are ingredients that will help to hydrate and moisturize your dark skin and make your skin look so glowy. So I've actually taken my time to pick the best body soap, body lotion, body scrub, and body oil that you can use as a dark skin person. So the first product you will need as a dark skin person, if you really want to maintain and glow your dark skin, is a body soap. When it comes to body soap, I always advise you as a dark skin person to go for body soaps that are very moisturizing on the skin. And one of my favorite body soaps that I would definitely recommend you use is this Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash. Or if you cannot afford to get this, you can actually opt in for the bar soap, and you can pair any of those body soaps with this 3 hot sugar scrub in lime. Like this particular body scrub is an amazing body scrub that I would definitely recommend you use if you're a dark skin person. Like if you struggle so much with uneven skin tone or hyperpigmentation as a dark skin, then using this particular 3 hot scrub is going to help you get rid of all the dead skin cells on your skin and give you that smooth, evenly toned complexion. So for your body lotion, I would definitely recommend the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Body Lotion or the Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Lotion. Like these are the 2 best body lotions when paired in this routine to not bleach or damage your skin or make you go darker. Like these are body lotions that will help to maintain and glow your complexion when you use them consistently. Now for body oil, I would definitely recommend using this bio oil, or you get the Shea Moisture Hydrating Body Oil. Now, I know you'll be wondering, Judith, why are you recommending this product? Well, first of all, like I said, combining or using this body set will help to maintain, glow, and nourish your dark skin tone. So combining these 4 products in your routine, this is a perfect combo to use as a dark skin person if you really want to maintain and glow your skin without bleaching or damaging your skin. These 4 products will work hand in hand to give you that beautiful glowing dark skin. Like when you combine those 4 products in your routine and use on your skin as a dark person, you'll be getting lots and lots of compliments, because your Dove body wash on its own is going to deeply cleanse your skin, moisturize and hydrate your skin at the same time, while your body scrub on the other hand will help to slough off those dead skin cells that is preventing your dark skin from looking even and glowing. Now, adding your Palmer's or Nivea Cocoa Butter body lotion into this mix is definitely going to give you a beautiful glowing dark skin tone. Like, your melanin skin will be popping when you consistently pair and use these products together in your routine. I'm not kidding, guys. These are products that I've recommended for clients and they came back with good reviews. Your body oil, on the other hand, will help to seal in the whole moisture into your skin and give you that hydrated, nourished skin. So as a dark skin person, you don't want your skin to be looking ashy, and that is the benefit of combining this hydrating and moisturizing products in your routine. This product will take your skin to the next level. Your skin is definitely going to be shining. And the amazing thing is, this combo is not just effective. There are body care products that will have your melanin skin popping. Now, let's get into the best products for my caramel skin girlies and guys. Now, I know you'll be wondering, what products can a caramel skin person use to maintain and glow their skin? First things first, you need to have this at the back of your mind if you're a caramel skin girly or guy. So caramel skin tone is one skin tone that is in between. Like, if you're a caramel skin person, you're neither dark nor fair, you're just in the middle. So your caramel skin tone definitely requires balance. You don't need products that will darken you or make you fairer than you are. You need products that can be able to maintain your complexion without making you go darker or making you go lighter. So the first product you will need in your routine is a body soap. And one soap I'll definitely recommend you use is this Olay Vitamin C body wash, or you can get the Olay bar soap or this Dove Warm Vanilla body wash. These are amazing body soaps that will help you pamper and glow your caramel skin tone. Now, for body scrub, I'll definitely recommend using this Dove body scrub, or you can get this Alba Botanical body polish. For your body lotion, I'll recommend you use this Vaseline Cocoa Radiant body lotion, or you can get the Jeggings body lotion, or even the Sperma Skin Success body milk. These are amazing body lotions that will help to cater for your caramel skin tone and prevent it from going dark or getting more lighter. Now, for your body oil, I will recommend the Almighty Permanent Skin Therapy body oil. Guys, I particularly chose this body care set for caramel skin tone because they are effective and suitable for all skin types. These are products that when you pair in your skincare routine as a caramel skin person, your skin is going to maintain its glow and radiance without darkening or looking fairer. With this routine, you will be able to balance out your skin and maintain your caramel skin tone. The only vitamin C body wash on its own will help to brighten and glow your complexion. So when you now pair it with the Dove body scrub or the Alabama Botanical body polish, girl, you're going to be sloughing off those dead skin cells and properly cleansing your skin and adding a much brighter radiance to your skin. So in other words, your skin is going to be looking a lot glowy combining the two products together. Now imagine when you now add this Vaseline Cocoa Radiant body lotion or the Palmer Skin Success body lotion or those Jeggings body lotion to your routine. Imagine how glowy and beautiful your skin is going to look. Like, your skin is going to be giving off that radiant glow, and when you try taking a picture under the sun, damn, your glow is definitely going to be blinding. And when you now go ahead to seal in those moisture into your skin using your Palmer Skin Therapy body oil, your glow is definitely going to be on another level. This is a combo that is tested, trusted, and confirmed. So if you really want your caramel skin looking glowy, just pair these products together in your routine and watch how your skin is going to glow. Like, all you need is to be consistent with your routine and you're going to see the wonders on your skin. Now, for my first skin beauties, let's get into the best body care products that you can combine or pair together to achieve a beautiful, radiant, fair, glowing skin. Now, as a first skin person, you need to understand that your skin tone or complexion requires a whole lot of maintenance. Like if you do not maintain your fair skin, you can easily get sunburn or you can get a lot darker, and this is because you have less melanin. So in other words, you need to be well protected from the sun. See, when you're picking products for your fair skin tone, you need to look for products that have UVA and UVB protection, and as well contains ingredients that can inhibit melanin production. That way you can be able to avoid skin darkening and also protect your skin from the sun. So I've actually taken my time to handpick the best body care products for fair skin. And the first product you will need is a body soap. And one body soap or body wash that I really love and I'll recommend you use as a first skin person is this natural body wash, or you can get this Frusia shower cream. This is a very nice body wash. So if you cannot afford to get any of this body wash as a first skin person, you can simply opt in for this Ashanti papaya soap. This is one amazing and affordable soap that will help to take care of your fair skin without darkening your skin or making your skin sensitive to the sun. Now, for your body scrub, you can use this Dove Macadamia body scrub, or you can use this Cool Spa turmeric body scrub. Now, for your body lotion, I recommend using this EOS body lotion, or better still, you can opt in for this Garnier body lotion or even this Nivea Radiant and Beauty body lotion. These are amazing body lotions that will help to nourish and moisturize your fair skin tone and also help to inhibit melanin production on your skin. So in other words, using any of those body lotions will help to maintain and glow your fair skin. Now, the next product you will need is a body oil. And one body oil that I really love and I'll recommend you use as a first skin person is this Aveeno body oil, or you can get the Vaseline B3 body oil. These are amazing body oils that will help to moisturize your skin and lock in moisture into your skin. Now, to the reason why I chose to combine or pair these products together is because your body wash is going to help glow your skin, brighten your skin, and maintain your fair skin tone without making you look darker. And pairing it with other products in your routine will give you that beautiful radiant skin without you having to do too much. Like, these products are effective, affordable, and they are suitable for all skin types. So if you really want your fair skin to be popping, you need to stay consistent with this body care products and watch how flashy and luxurious your skin is going to look. These are products that will help to tackle your hyperpigmentation, brighten up your skin tone, and make your skin look a lot glowy and beautiful. So if you really want to achieve a brighter, beautiful, glowing skin without bleaching or damaging your fair skin tone, these are products you will need in your routine. Pairing them together will give you that beautiful, luxurious glow that you have always craved for. So feel free to take your screenshots right now. Now let's get into how to use this body care product to achieve a beautiful glowing skin tone. So for your body wash or your body soap, you can use it twice daily. That is in your morning and night routine to cleanse your skin first. And immediately you're done having your shower, go ahead and exfoliate your skin. So for your body scrub, you basically need to use your body scrub once or twice weekly, and once you're out of the shower, apply your body lotion and allow it to absorb, and immediately after that, apply your body oil and watch how beautiful your skin is going to look. Like, you don't really need to be fair to have that beautiful glowing skin. All you need is the right products in your routine to be able to maintain your own skin tone and complexion. So if you're a dark skin person and you really want to maintain your skin tone, stick to using those body care products and watch how your skin is going to look. Like, these are products that will give you that visible, beautiful, glowing skin in a matter of weeks. So if you really want your skin popping, just get any of this combo and add in your routine and watch how amazing your skin is going to look. So yeah, that is simply it on the best body maintenance set for all skin types. So for my US and UK base, I hope you will be able to get those products regardless of where you are. Like, you can easily access these products on Amazon or you can get them in your nearest cosmetic store. If you cannot see them close to you, you can always DM me on Instagram at ninibeauty underscore, and I will definitely assist you. Okay, so yeah, that is it on today's video. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you got up to this point, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Liking this video will mean so much to me. So guys, please go ahead and like this video. Subscribe if you're yet to. It's actually free of charge. Catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.